Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to install and configure Sandstorm on CentOS 8.1. Sandstorm is an open source platform for personal servers, which means that it can be used to install many different apps on one server with an easy to use interface. A few examples of apps that can be installed using Sandstorm are WordPress, GitLab, MediaWiki, Apache Wave, and RoundCube webmail. So now let's proceed with the installation process. First of all, I will check the installed version of OS on my system. It's 8.3 version. Now download the script for the installation process. Now it's completed. Now we'll install the Sandstorm script which I have downloaded. Give enter. OK to continue. Give enter. So if you want to give your subdomain, there is the option. So I'm typing here none. Give enter. Now it's downloading. It will take some time. Now your server is online. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. It will launch the welcome page of Sandstorm. This is the beginning. Now click here to begin the Sandstorm setup. These are all the login provider which you can configure on your Sandstorm. I'm just configuring now this email. Make it enable. Now click next. This is the organization membership. If you want to take membership, then you have to put detail for that. Save and continue. This is the email delivery. So for the email delivery, this is the SMTP protocol. You have to mention your local host here. It will use as a port 25. Now save and continue. These are all the pre-installed apps which Sandstorm can access on your admin panel. It's downloading. It will take some time. So all these apps have been downloaded. To use them, we can configure and set up them, and we can use it. So now click next. This is the login credential, and this is the main admin account for the Sandstorm server. You have to provide your server email ID, and after the email ID, they will provide you token. So this is the method to install Sandstorm server on the CentOS 8.1.
If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.